So الضرب الثالث حرف الجر الزائد is the حرف الجر which is زائد. Yes. Okay. So حرف الجر الزائد ما لا يفيد معنى إلا التأكيد. The حرف الجر الزائد's sole purpose is to create emphasis in the sentence. It doesn't have an independent meaning. It doesn't specifically make it مفعول له or مفعول فيه or مفعول به. All it does is that it creates the meaning of ta'keed. It emphasizes whichever word comes after it. Yes? And that's point number one. And point number two, وَلَا يَكُونُ مَأَ مَجْرُورِهِ مَعْمُولًا لِفَعْلٍ أَوْ شِبْهِ الْفَعْلِ. That the word after it becomes a ma'mul, not the shibhul jumla. Okay, so we explain it. Yes, so two things. So if we summarize here in our table, we said we have here al-harf al-jar al-asli, number one, harf al-jar shabihun bi-zaid, and harf al-jar zaid. And the two elements we have to look at, the meaning and the i'rab. So the two elements we have to look at is the meaning and the i'rab. In the meaning, if it gives a unique meaning, a meaning of time, a meaning of place, a meaning of maf'ul bihi, a meaning of reason, then this will be harfun jar al-asli. And along with this, it becomes what? It becomes a mansoob slot. That will be harfun jar asli. So harfun jar asli has two properties. It has a unique meaning. You can't ignore that harfun jar and just say, well, it's for emphasis, or it's not necessary here. It gives a meaning. It gives a meaning, a unique meaning. Yes? And along with that, it becomes a mansoob slot. Either one of the five maf'ools, or the hal, or the tamiz, or the ala, or the iwad. And in terms of i'rab, it's a maf'ul bihi. The harfun jar shabihun bi zaid, it has three meanings: rubba, many, min, some, and hasha, except. So they have a unique meaning. However, they don't become what? They don't become the maf'ul, one of the mansoob slots of the fa'il. They can become the mubtada. For example, indi mimma, that becomes the mubtada. Rubba shahwatin turithu husnan tawilan, that becomes what? That becomes the mubtada. I didn't translate rubba huznin turithu huzn, rubba shahwatin turithu huznan tawilan. We did that in muntakhabat already. So what does that mean? Rubba shahwatin turithu huznan tawilan. Many desires, if you don't control them, they can cause grave consequences, which can cause a long grief for those who are watching. We did that in al-muntakhabat already. Okay, and now we're here, shabihun bi zaid. It creates ta'keed and is not a ma'mul of anything. That's the difference between the three types of harfun jar. Is everybody following me? Is that clear to everybody? Any questions regarding this? Okay. Okay, mas'ala. Now, يسمى حرف الجر الزائد حرف صلة. The harfun jar al-za is also called harfu sila. Now, this is actually better, because when you say zaid, what does zaid mean? Excess. Like, it gives the impression that it's not needed. It's like, okay, you can remove it. It's zaida. It's like, it's kizarutna, you don't need it. You can get by without it. So that's why some people call it harfu sila. So it's also called harfu sila, but it's more commonly the books that we use, or the books of Arab, usually refer to as harfun jar al-zaid. But because if it's a sila, it's there for joining purposes, it's there for emphasis. So this term is a more respectful term, especially when it comes to the Quran. Because if you say harfun jar zaid in the Quran, you're not trying to say that, but you can give that notion that there's a particle in the Quran which is not necessary. And it is necessary because it gives emphasis. And emphasis in that place is perfect. You need the emphasis there. So it's not zaid that, okay, remove it, no problem, we don't need it. You understand? So if you call it harf sila, it's better, but it's also more commonly known as harfun jar al-zaid.